Epic defense. Chiron-X1 trademark armor takes CQC training to extreme levels. The Chiron-X1 trademark by Chiron is a flagship product revolutionizing CQC, close-quarter combat, training, offering unmatched realism in battle prep. Designed for superior agility and protection, it enables personnel to train as they fight, employing high levels of force and speed within traditional safety parameters. This high-impact training armor system provides full coverage and is crafted to endure extensive impact force and speed, safeguarding vital areas such as the head, neck, and chest. It facilitates concurrent CQC and MMR, marking munition round, training without the need for equipment change or stoppage, enhancing training efficiency. The lightweight design of the Chiron-X1 trademark permits extensive movement and quicker reaction times, allowing personnel to experience more realistic and prolonged training sessions. It boasts a unique, patent-pending solution offering unparalleled protection against compression, hyperextension, and whiplash during high-force CQC training. The Chiron-X1 trademark features a washable hygiene comfort layer known as Chiron Layer Zero beneath a hard armor chassis layer and an external high-impact outer shell. Chiron Layer Zero is composed of high-tech, high-performance fabrics and is available in various options, ensuring user comfort. The armor is available in small, medium, and large sizes with high adjustability and designs specifically created for female personnel, promoting inclusivity in combat training. The armor allows personnel to engage in realistic training while staying within the safe distances for marking munition round, MMR, training. It's a top-of-the-line product, allowing defense personnel to train realistically, with high force and speed, ensuring preparedness for real-world combat scenarios. Chiron's invention is a leap in the evolution of training armor, focusing on the integration of agility and protection. The armor system is structured to absorb high impact to vital targets, protecting against potential injuries from blunt weapons during CQC training. The ability to train without changing equipment for different combat scenarios significantly reduces downtime and enhances combat readiness. This innovative armor system is set to redefine standards in combat training armor, pushing boundaries in protection, agility, and realism. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus military, don't forget to subscribe.